In this video, we'll show you how to operate your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded GREENWORKS string trimmers that feature a rotating head and edger wheel. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. Before starting any string trimmer, the power source must be connected. If you purchased a corded model, refer to your owner's manual for the appropriate extension cord specifications for your unit. Fold your extension cord to form a tight loop and feed this through the hole on the handle. Slide the loop over the cord retaining hook and pull until the cord is secured. Once you have the cord secured in the retainer, tie the extension cord and power cord together to further prevent them from becoming disconnected during use. Plug the power cord into the extension cord. The trigger is underneath the handle. To start the unit, pull the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. This unit has an auto feed trimmer head. The cutting line can be advanced by running the trimmer and releasing the trigger. Wait 2 seconds and pull the trigger again. The line will advance 1/4 inch each time. To prevent excess line from feeding, avoid repeatedly pressing and releasing the trigger during operation. Disconnect the power source. Push the spool retaining button and pull the cutting line repeatedly to manually advance the cutting line. It will advance 1/4 inch at a time. Make sure to extend both lines equally. There is a cutoff blade pre-installed on the guard. The position of this blade determines the length of the cutting line or cutting diameter. The cutoff blade can be rotated to increase the cutting diameter by 2 inches. Be advised, this will impact the runtime on battery-powered units. Ensure the power source has been disconnected. Remove the screws securing the cutoff blade. Remove the blade and rotate 180 degrees. Reinstall and tighten the blade screws. Unlock the cam lever in the middle of the shaft. Extend or reduce the length to the desired position. Lock the cam lever. You can adjust the pivoting head to trim areas which are hard to reach. Do not attempt to do this while the unit is running. Push on the pivoting lock button and turn the shaft until the trimmer head locks into the desired position. Release the pivoting button. This unit can also be used as an edger to keep patios, driveways, and sidewalks well groomed. Push the edge lock button to release the trimmer head and turn it 90 degrees until it locks into position. Release the edge lock button. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat sources. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.